Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up crowdfunding on Kickstarter for profitable product validation. Before you dive into setting up your crowdfunding campaign on Kickstarter, ensure you have a viable product idea. Start with thorough market research to validate your product concept. Identify your target audience and understand their needs and preferences. Create a detailed project outline that includes your goals, budget, and timeline. Design a compelling product prototype to showcase your idea to potential backers. Craft an engaging project description highlighting the unique features of your product. Use storytelling to connect emotionally with your audience, making them feel invested in your project. Develop a visually appealing video to present your product, explaining its benefits and your campaign's purpose. Set a realistic funding goal that covers your costs while also encouraging backers to invest. Outline clear reward tiers that offer enticing incentives for different levels of support. Incorporate high-quality images of your product and your team to build trust with potential backers. Engage with your audience through social media to build excitement before launching the campaign. Prepare a marketing strategy for the duration of your campaign, focusing on outreach and community engagement. Launch your Kickstarter campaign and closely monitor its progress. Be ready to respond to backer inquiries and foster a community around your project. Use feedback during the campaign to adjust rewards or address concerns if necessary. Update your backers frequently, keeping them informed about milestones and any challenges. Once your campaign concludes, focus on fulfilling your promises to backers to build a loyal customer base. Leverage the success of your Kickstarter campaign for future product developments and market research. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.